And Aguvado, no, he's a criminal. Nanado, he's a criminal. Do you know why? Papa no nyati papa. We are cromfo, win for. Aguvado, ni timu ya ding. John Dramani mama Green Book ya de chere Ghana for say we see. Waka chere say John Ayade na busia na dos mo ba mo busia na so be ye Ghana yie. Sa mere no na ye 35 million Ghana ni bia di ka 35 million old cities. Eno kra na president Kufuor de kan roll is de kan no mo akeka. Mo ba 4 years pepepe mo de 65 million. Abeka obia ne ka wede ho amasisi ayeka ye 100 million obia Ghana ni bia wo akwala nde kora wedi ka 100 million old city na say 10,000 Ghana cedis aguba don kwa ya di 6,500 Ghana cedis ana 65 million ka Ghana ni bia ka wede ho. Question you be say what the then because John Dramani mama breast na ye 35 million and 3,500 Ghana cedis no almost on be ye nsu nyina on be ye kwan nyina on be ye light nyina on be sisi almost sisi hospital almost sisi airport aguba do won't mean sikura my who say wusi hospital do say na wusi hospital do say na wusi na ni enta me ka say we a criminal ne say papa ba ye no John Mpuntu Juma akese pa no was suspended all those major projects. Nti enya fie ba ko na fie minu ntem no ana wasa ebe kati sword Ghana for what tibida me krom haya me potem haya bupe John Dramama eko voltage eko kati sword say yensi voltage was me fanya teaching hospital na university na wo no omko nkosua de na wasa dia so bofom wo hasa yensi emergency facility hospital kakraka ewo bupe wase want me nya loro fem ba want me two convoys am ba ho enti wo just say prudently na do baye was suspend wo je contract de ma contractor foforo ena wana nkasa edi convoy ba ho esa be katiso say you go see hospital ya katisol ama ya clear area no ya sha say ye adwuma no papa is suspended here by 1 year time no and also be katisol say you go see hospital Kufuor hospital was sign here Irrigate hospital aye 9 or sign keke Kufuor be tena kwanja so 8 years na woni so be hospital but now we health insurance hospital ni health insurance be adwuma Obesi free kwanja so 28th November aka bosome bako obe ana omosi enkosi 8 hospitals kwasi asem eno kura contractor na anya sika Mr. Ba na osa ko form buy ana omosi di 8 hospital kan ho ana ye 17 ana ye si kan dey wi agubo do buy was suspending nyina NDC ba kwanja so a MPP social intervention nyina ye tremu na ye na kama MPP infrastructure nyina o mastati ye toaso ebia bakomienu bi pe MPP hihye mpo mo ye to ho any setimi dije they even take and implement because I'm buying back because of the people for this a single spy salary and MPP na ye to ho na NDC be implement here Irrigate hospital president governor sign here Oma nyanya ana omo ebeto aso MPP ba kwanja eso NDC project na progress mpo ayeye oma sesedi no oma sesedi joma mai start free SHS ka fato aso wasesa no good and planting for food and jobs joma mai na dey by eat what you grow wasesedi no on to aso da ena ne ya sign contract ye kura was suspended ne ye kura wa cancel NDC social intervention mo dey buy JHS receipt o ma cancel free sandals free laptop free school uniform o mo nto aso da na hihye de no motos mo de mo hihye yempo NDC eya o moto aso nta Kufuor do buy no wa shada as suspended John Dramani mama major projects Ose munjaye afi baako ntem no na wasade asobe bofom na odi aso ne be bofom no ya twa ne picture video bibia de be cheno na nam ko wan kata so Akufo-Addo has cut short for the for the continuation for the Kumasi airport sa pepepe na oye Kumasi airport. Oga ka say they renegotiate. Why do you renegotiate a government contract? Is there anything wrong with it? At times by President Kufuor contract a year renegotiation is the contract that you suspect to be shady. And after renegotiation and rectifying everything, somebody must be held accountable. Also, be called jail. And the other guy just said, John Dramani contracts, no, they are suspicious. Into why renegotiate? Yes, you won't say what you be. That just say you are lying to us. That just say. And the Kumasi Airport was I saw a ball from Amaya and the picture. Amaya Bakuan Kratemu, because they control the media. Akufo-Addo cut short for the construction of Kumasi Airport. Meanwhile, we better also. John Dramani Mama say the same contract, the same project, the same contractor, same site, but recutting of short. Why? Tema motorway interchange. John the outsourced from saying yeah. Papa say 1 year. Please, we didn't vote for Akufo-Addo to come and vie for John Dramani Mama's projects. Governance is continuous. And you buy yana John has signed quarter with your sub from no my own twasso. Go and initiate your own. Ghana, you about 9 regional capitals. This year it's about 16. Now a bit ni airports. And also go other places. Neko Katisos airports. You are battling with John Dramani Mama with his projects. Meanwhile, JM na times ebo buse 80 billion. Ghana cedis. Who are Bobusia 160 billion. And you want us to tell us that the projects now are all cut short. As Kano eka ne Kano hono. Ayo dia. Na wo busia na oboy wo dia den. Na just Akufo-Addo wanted to appear say Temamoto we no 1 year. Kumasi airport 1 year. Focus in taking. Or person chere say 1 year. And in ekeka ho. Meanwhile, nyina sika ka John Dramani Mama sika no ho. Mo be ka kire se busie no dɔɔso no. Na je se wono busie na wono wabɔ no. O pese woni na busiefo che. This is the agenda. And this is why I am calling Nanado a criminal. Nipa bo busie 80 billion in 8 years. And they are starting the project. Project be a President Kufuor starting here no. NDC be continue here no. Omo wie ye no e di President Kufuor kɔ hɔ ama Ghana fo nyina hu sɛ President Kufuor na start here L1 road sana tames here Buidam sana tames here Accra to Kumasi highway President Kufuor na start here 45% complete NDC be twice omo wie ye they didn't vie for President Kufuor's credit na de na wu Akufo-Addo wa ba focus interchange mama and start here o de so from near wo starting tamale interchange eno kura si hɔ tema interchange Joma me na start here obechebe wono na start here o person can say wo na waye. Did you vote for Akufo-Addo to come and be vying with John Dramani Mama for projects? Nipa bobusa 80 billion Ghana cedis they are starting the project wo bobusa 160 billion won timi fa wan kasa o person project kire John Dramani Mama the 4 years and a year second touch kakrakawe second touch 3 projects combined. You were flyover, you were at 4 years, were a commission. What ba? 4 years, no single interchange, one case or initiator completely. Then you are vying for near John Dramani Mama. And this thing is going on in this country. Nobody's talking about that. Into a per se, and quiet to say, Busia Baby no Onoko boy and San Human or the meanwhile, San Human are joined start here, no, they call Parliament. Parliament a passed bill. Busiani ye ready because enti no ka wo die ho eno ye near John Dramani Mama mo ka kire say wo bobusia no enti wo die na wo boy no ewe hin obi abobusia aye mputudwuma mo ka kire say wa yade na busiani na dɔɔso wa be bo say ni pakron busia mo hom ensa na wo pese wo ka kire say the project wono starting eno na wo ye san na ekwa na say bye. Nani ya Akufo-Addo be ka kire say wono ebesi 88 hospitals. 88 hospitals. 17 hospitals. It took 3 different governments to finish constructing them. More than 10 years. Eurogate Hospitals, 2008, and Akufo signed contract. I think who Akufo the hospitals. 70 hospitals. About 10 years, and a year, baby, or brain. Over catches who be 88 hospitals. I cut 1 year, no feel conjaso. Does Akufo think that? Ya manu 8 years ana. Papa na kasa hiwa ya humaswodo do. Wakasa ti say be woko 8 years. Ya ma 4 years ye na ehwe. Ube timia anka ube si hospitals anka by now. Wasi amana drubabi. Ube wa kacha say apart from John Dramani mama hospitals one wa tames Kufuor de no. Also was start say until dur say na yes of another 4 yees. Hospital back up and start here. I can't feel back over see for Konyasono. We say we see 88 hospitals. The guy is making fun of Ghanaians. She said we dig gun of what time. Yeah, the 10 years and I see 70 hospitals. 88 hospitals. How many years do you can use? Now Kawube Timia that now hearing COVID-19 na buy and son of catches obese hospitals. Mobile Konyaso for that by catchers say Mojamunya infrastructure. You do human capital development. Human capital development, over developing human capital in the and your training, and your education, and your school, and your infrastructure, training and your infrastructure. Because therefore, just a gun of where Jimmy, or Minimum answer, and so you are taking them for a ride. Now we are said, I say, obesity 11 hospitals. I'm an 111 hospitals. What kind of madness is this? I'll be back.